Alright guys, we're back with another video, and today we got the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. I'm sorry if you hear any background noise before we begin. Alright, so this was on sale this week. I believe it was on sale from Saturday to Monday or something like that, and it was $120 off from the original $350 price. So it was $280 plus tax because we are in Canada. So, I guess I should open this little plastic wrap because it would be hard to read the things around the side. So, we'll just peel that off the top as well. Put that down, and there it is. Looks beautiful. There's a lot of dust on that plastic wrap. I'm not sure why, but alright. So, here's all the things that are written around the packaging. If you guys would like to read them, there's some specs. 1.3 inch, nice, long-lasting battery. 380 milliamps. So I'm not sure if that's an improvement over the last one, but it might be. But I also heard of the Samsung Galaxy Watch, which came out not too long ago. But the price for that is still like 380 or something like that, and it's on sale too. So I'm not about to pay that much for that. So it's a little over my budget. So I had to go for this. Also, the black on black, I just like that look much better. All right, we'll just take that off. Oh, it's on this charging dock, charging dock. All right, so inside here, pull this tab off. There's a little micro USB charging cable, and over here should be an adapter or wall outlet adapter or whatever you may call this. Let's see if I can zoom into that or focus. Is it okay? We'll just put that away to the side. And what we have left, oh god, focus. The focus is horrible. Alright, we actually have a band over here, a small size band. Alright, we'll just put that away. And just a small little manual. Pretty simple, pretty nice. Oh, I guess we slide it out. It's just like a plastic wrapping around it as well. Yeah, you'll keep that in for now. We don't really need to read that, so. Alright, let's put all this away to the side. Let's get to the watch. Already put my finger on it. Got it. Alright, so slide that out there. Let's peel this thing off. There it is. It's actually quite big. It's bigger than I thought it would be. But yeah, it's very nice actually. It looks very nice. There you go. Let's just pull that out. There's a little thing on the side. What? Oh yeah, okay. So we just take that off. Take the little plastic covering off the screen. There it is. Oh man, that's smooth. That's actually so smooth. Gosh. Alright, so there's the sensors and a little bit of tape with some information on it. Not sure what this information is for. Yeah, not sure, but okay, we'll put that away. And that seems to be about it for everything you have to take off. Let's try to power this on. Not sure where the power button is, but we'll just press and hold the top button right there. Kind of see me right now. Alright, we'll hold the bottom one. Alright, there you go. Let's focus on that. The screen is actually pretty it's pretty clear, you could say. Oh, okay. Looks really nice, especially with the especially with how big it is compared to the S2. Welcome. Do I press or? Okay. So I'll get this, I'll log into this and then I'll see you guys back for a couple of seconds. Alright guys, so I've logged in and put in all my information and connected it to my phone. And yeah, so I'll just show it to you a little bit. So I'm pretty sure you can just tap on the screen to wake it up. Or maybe not. Okay, but you can rotate the bezel and it would definitely wake up. But what if I click one of the buttons? Alright, the top one works. So does the bottom one. And alright, so let's wake this up. I'm pretty sure the bottom one is it's used for going back to the home. Oh no, wait, hold up. Okay, so that's for clicking onto things, and this is for going back, I suppose. Or I might be wrong, but that's that's what's been going on so far. But yeah, so far the watch has been very nice. Let's just go back home. Let's go there. So here's some of the apps. Let me try focusing that. It's quite bright, so there you go. Let me just lower the temperature around. So you guys could see that for yourself. Next page. Start Samsung Pay. Oh. Yeah, this watch does include NFC, which is very nice, and you know, you can add your credit card information and stuff like that, and you know, just pay with your watch. It's pretty nice, but I'm not sure if you can use Google Pay, but I will have to find that out later. But for now, that's about it. Let me just go back and show you what's on to the left. Yeah, and you can also add widgets. On my phone, it may look like it's quite choppy, but in actual reality, it's quite smooth actually. So the camera doesn't do it justice. Anyways, this is going to be it for now. It's just an unboxing. If you guys have any specific questions about this device or watch, just leave them down in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. And you can get this watch in the link down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.